How to reset hidden chats pin on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on Privacy. In Privacy, scroll down, you'll find Hidden Chats. Click on it. Then click on Reset PIN in here, which is the second option. Then it will show Reset PIN. Are you sure you want to reset your PIN? All hidden chats, including their messages and media, will be deleted. Press on Yes. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to reset hidden chat PIN on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.